Fred here, welcome back to the Gear Obsession channel. In this episode we will be taking a look at the Metrovac Airforce Blaster Sidekick, so stay tuned. What this is a very compact but extremely powerful dryer. And it can be used, or its primary purpose really is to dry motorcycles, but you could also use it for detailing your vehicle. Quite frankly, before I got this, I was using my leaf blower. But the problem with a leaf blower is you don't have a filter on it, so you have the possibility of blowing dirt and stuff through it and possibly harming your vehicle. So this is made from the ground up to dry this, and dry like no other product out there. I want to go over the specs real quick while I'm opening this up. First of all, this thing is made out of all steel. This thing is a monster. I'm tearing up the box. This thing, let's see, I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and take a look at that. This thing is solid steel construction. It has a 1.3 horsepower, peak horsepower motor. Other specifications I have here is it does have a filter on the bottom. So again, you're blowing filtered air. You don't have to worry about when you using a leaf blower, it picking up dirt or blowing dirt and hitting your vehicle. The other things about leaf blowers is it's a very big and less concentrated air than what you're going to get out of this. Other things is that this heats the air about 25 to 30 degrees over whatever the ambient air temperature is, so that helps speed up the drying process even more. It's 18 inches high. I'm sorry, it's 9.5 inches high, and it has a 14-inch cord. Devices like this you gotta have an extension cord for, obviously, and made in the USA. Let me see, they get a flag on this thing? I know, there we go. Got that proud flag on the box, made in the USA. And this could be had for about $80 to $100. If you look really good, you could probably find it for around $80. So, I'm going to go ahead and rinse down this motorcycle. Now, normally you would have to get a towel out, and you're going to be trying to go through all the nooks and crannies for, I don't know, an hour. It just takes forever to dry a motorcycle. So we're going to go ahead and see how well this does. Before I forget, you do get two other things here. You get this little guy here, so you could get in, you could sort of focus it even more onto little spots. And we also get it's like a fan. It fans the air out. See, I'll put it like this so you can see it. So it'll fan the air out. So that would be good for a surface like the top of the tank. And as a matter of fact, that might be a good thing to try first. So I'll go ahead and put the fan on. So let me go ahead and get the water hose, and we'll go ahead and spray this down. Now, I'm not going to soap this up because I had just recently cleaned it, but I want to demonstrate this product. By the way, this does come with a 1-year warranty against defects. I had done a review 2 years ago on the DataVac, which is the smaller one that you use for computers. That thing just refuses to die, and that thing has been abused at my workplace. I mean, it's been dropped off of tables and everything. So, a real testament to DataVac and the products they build. So let's see how well this gets the water off here. First of all, it's amazing how much heat comes out of this. Wow. I mean, the water just flies off. That is amazing. And what's nice is it's getting into all the nooks and crannies. What usually happens I'm sorry. What usually happens when you wipe off something like this, you'll get it all wiped off, and then something will drip out of the cracks and stuff like that. It drives you insane. I'm going to go ahead and bring you around, and actually I'm going to drop this a little bit like this. There we go. And we're going to see how well it works in all them nooks and crannies. There we go. And actually I'm going to go ahead and take the fan adapter off and put this spot adapter on, as you can see right there. And here we go. This is absolutely amazing. It is dry as a bone that quick. I would normally have to spend a considerable amount of time to get this dry, and you could never get into the fins of the engine. This is just amazing. Also, the amount of the air is hot. I mean, it's wow, wow, wow. I love this. I love this as much as my data vac. No one's borrowing this. This is mine. Well, I'm going to finish drying this. So, go to the kitchen, get some popcorn, get something, relax, get some coffee, and I'm going to take care of my bite. Wow, you just saw me dry my entire motorcycle, and it only took a couple of minutes. That was freaking amazing. Do I recommend this? Yep, it's going to get, whoa, a 10 out of 10. Absolutely. This thing is just a monster in a compact package made like old American solid products used to be, and you can still get them today. Let me grab my chair real quick. Alright, so thank you very much for joining me here at the Gear Obsession channel. I really appreciate every friend, viewer, subscriber, and you, and I hope you have a great, great weekend. Take care. Bye.